Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these DIY small gift boxes. They were so easy to do, really inexpensive. Each gift box just cost under £5 and they are a brilliant gift for Christmas. So I will show you exactly how I made them. So to be able to toast the marshmallows, I bought some of these Olympia gel chafing fuel pots. These have got about a 2-hour burn time. They're non-toxic and low aroma. They're really good. So I popped one of those into each of these boxes. These boxes were from Amazon. They have got really cute designs on them. There is 3 different kinds of designs. And yeah, I think they are perfect for these little gift sets. You could obviously use a cheaper style box, but I was just really drawn to these because of the festive decorations on them. So the boxes were £16.98 for 12, which makes it £1.41 per box. And the gels came in a pack of 12 and they were £16.51 for those, which makes them £1.37 each to go in each of the gift sets. And both of those items were from Amazon, and I will link everything below. These are just some of the other designs, and I am especially drawn to this gingerbread house one. I think they are just so cute. So you are going to need some chocolate and some marshmallows. All of mine are from Tesco. I just ordered them in my Tesco shop, and some digestive biscuits. I also got some of these little cellophane bags. These were again from Amazon, and it was a pack of 100 for £3.59. So all I am doing is I'm just portioning out the chocolate into each of the bags, and again I will do the same with the marshmallows and the biscuits. These bags are great because they've got like a little seal at the top, so you just fold them over and it's stuck down. The chocolate bars that I used were the £1 Tesco ones, and the marshmallows were 75p a bag, and then the biscuits were only 50p. So all really inexpensive items. So I'm just portioning it out. I put around 7 marshmallows in each bag, and then around 8 pieces of chocolate in each bag, and then around 4 biscuit fits into each of these little bags as well. So these are the things that you need to make the s'mores. I just think these are perfect for family gifts, or if you've got to do Secret Santa or teacher gifts. Now with the box, I'm just going to put some tissue paper in the bottom, just some of this festive star paper that I got from Home Bargains, and then in goes my little chafing gel. And then some of these are really good. These are little sticks that for marshmallow toasting. These were £4 and 9p from Amazon, and I use about 6. I put about 6 in there that I've just wrapped up in a little bit of string, and they work out at like 4p a stick. So all really inexpensive. I'm just popping 2 lots of the marshmallows, chocolate and biscuits in there, and there you go. That is just our perfect little small gifts. These boxes come with this string so you can tie them up. The only thing I will say with these boxes is they are a little bit flimsy, so I've taped around mine just to make it a little bit sturdier, and that is it. That is a perfect little Christmas gift for someone. It cost around £4.68 to put together, which I think is a really good price for a DIY gift. And I'm really pleased with how they turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one from me, but I just wanted to share with you something that I've been making for all my friends and family, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.